Welcome to class 10th. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today I am here to represent the chapter that is electricity. Electricity is probably the eighth wonder of the modern civilized world. Today most of the demands are fulfilled by the electricity, and electricity most of our demands as well as our more dependence is on electricity. Its great advantages are cleanness. It is a clean source of energy, it does not cause any type of pollution. Flexibility, it is more flexible in nature. It is carried from one place to another over 1,000 of kilometers with the help of wires. It changes its direction with respect to time. Efficiency, it has a large amount of efficiency. It can work over many years without any discomfort. Electric Electricity is made up of electric current, and electric current is made up of different types of charges. So what is charge? Charge, like a mass, is a fundamental property of a matter. It may be of two types, positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge is developed by the loss of electrons, and negative charge is developed by the gain of electrons. Suppose we have a comb. When we rub it on our hairs, then the transfer of electron take place from hairs to comb. So it means our hair lost the electrons and it is gained by the comb. So our hair get the positive charge and the comb get the negative charge. Here are the few properties of charges. Unlike charges means positive and negative charges, they are attract each other, and the like charges, positive positive, negative negative, they repel each other. It is conservative in nature. It means charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one object to other. It is also a Coulomb's law. It is additive in nature. It means a bigger charge is the sum of small multiple charges. It can be quantized. Q is equal to Ne. It means N here is the number of electrons and E is charge on one electron, and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Electric current, it is defined as the ordered motion of electric charges. When the electric charges flows in a wires, then it forms electric current, and its symbol is capital I. Its SI unit is ampere, and its formula is I is equal to Q upon T. Q is charge, T is time. It is of two types, conventional current and electronic current. Conventional current means when the current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery, and electronic current means when the current flows from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. It means these both type of currents are opposite to each other. Electric potential, it is defined as the amount of work done to carry one unit positive charge from infinity to a one point. It is denoted by symbol V. Its SI unit is volt, and its formula is V is equal to W upon Q. And the another one, potential difference, it is the difference in the amount of work done to carry the charge from one place to other. It has the same symbol V, and its SI unit is again same, that is volt. Electric circuit, a closed continuous path through which and current flows. It is of two types, open and closed. Open circuit means when the circuit is not working, it means current is not flowing. Closed circuit means when the current is flowing and all the components are working. Here are the different components which form the electric circuit. Cell, battery, it is the combination of two or more cells. Switch, which is used to on and off the circuit. Wire, through which the current flows. Bulb, it glows, which shows the indication of flowing of current. Ohm's law, it is a very important law. This shows that if the physical conditions like temperature remain constant, then the current flows through the wire is directly proportional to the potential difference across it. and its formula is V is equal to IR. V is potential difference, I is current, R is the resistance, and its SI unit is ohm, and the graph of Ohm's law is always a straight line. I hope you all have understood this chapter important topics. Thank you, have a nice day, and keep smiling.